Here we have a 2008 Mustang Saleen S281. This is a supercharged coupe. It's number 239. There are a total of 398 Saleens made in 2008. This happens to be number 239, which is one of 185 supercharged coupes. Beautiful color. A lot of you are going to know this as red fire metallic. Other ones will know it as sangria red. I believe it's pretty much the same color, with sangria red being the term and the color for it in 08. I believe 05 to 07 would have been red fire. JV paint coat anyway on it, so check that out if you want to dig into it a little bit. If you know anything about these Saleens, 465 horse on the supercharged ones. Is a 4.6 liter dual overhead cam engine with the twin screw root style blower on it and an intercooler. So a lot of ponies underneath the hood, updated suspension, wheels, effects, all of that good stuff that just makes this car absolutely stunning and a blast to drive. Besides, this particular one does have a 5-speed in it. A little over 6,000 miles, so that's why you can see why the chrome wheels, the paint, interior, everything's so nice on it. There's your dual pod gauge on the dash, which you'll see on the supercharged ones. Here's your badging number. I didn't hit the badge number up on the bumper number. There you go, 239. Embroidery in the seats. You can see this passenger seat. It's like absolute brand new. Get around to the driver's side too. But with a little over 6,000 miles, it's what you'd expect. MRT aluminum louvers in the back. Would not have came from Saleen with that. I believe that is an aftermarket ad, and they are nice. You can just tell they're not a cheap set. They fit on. They're just absolutely beautiful. Come around to the big wing in the back. Extended rear bumper fascia. Taillight each side blacked out. Center dump exhaust. In this color and option combination, this is one of 5 made like this in 2008. So obviously a pretty rare car. Just see how nice that sangria red paint stands out. Chrome wheels, just everything, very, very nice shape. Bigger brakes in the front, slotted. Bigger calipers, stock in the back. A little added stopping power there. I do have still pictures of this car. You can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. The reason I'm going to tell you that is you can see the pictures. I took the floor mats out and I have them in the still pictures. Otherwise now I just have the plastic down. The floor mats are in the trunk. They're like absolutely brand new. This is a one-owner car, has no accidents reported. You can't see any indications of it either. There's your passenger seat and the bolster where you'll see them wear a little bit. And then of course, if you know about the Mustangs, how the door cards start to peel away here, driver's door and passenger door, both just like new. Well, let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it. That's probably one of the best parts about the car, although there's many. You can hear the blower and hear the nice rumble out of that center dump exhaust. The only light on there is because I don't put the seatbelt on when I'm taking this video. That and it might need a little bit of gas before I would drive it much. Unfortunately, it's the wrong time of year here. Won't get to drive this one. This one will sit in the showroom. Shaker 500 stereo system. There's your 5-speed manual. I don't know if you can hear this a little bit or not, but give you a little RPM. Hear the exhaust and blower. Nice little rumble coming out of that 4.6 liter supercharged V8. 465 horsepower. Remember those still pictures? You want to check out the engine bay, Interior pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. There's that bumper number, 239. Or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. 2008 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe, Sangria Red.